Okay, you've got the SDK installed, your credentials are set, and you've seen the build agent route already. Here's the other path, starting from a blank folder with full control over every file from the first line. The first command is now-sdk init, as in initialization. Open a folder on your computer where this project should live, run the command, answer a few prompts, and you've got a project structure ready to go. The prompts, what they look like is first, you pick a template, go with the boilerplate for a standard app. Next, the name of your ServiceNow application. This one's human readable, so you can use caps and spaces, something like Earl's Super Cool App. And then it'll ask you for the NPM package name to give it, which is the one that needs to be lowercase with dashes. You can use the default one that it gives you. The SDK then tries to log into your instance using the credentials you set up earlier. And then after that, pick global or scoped. Of course, go scoped unless you have a specific reason not to. Finally, your scope name, which looks like x underscore something underscore the app name. One thing the SDK will remind you to do before you try anything else is run npm install in the new folder. Once these prompts are done, the SDK generates a project directory for you. You get a source folder with some scaffolding, a package JSON, and a config file for the SDK. Okay, now here's where it connects to Claude Code. cd into your new project folder if you're not already there, and run Claude. Once you're in it, run /init. That's the Claude Code command that scans your project and writes a CLAUDE.md file with baseline context about what you're building. From there, you can start prompting. Add a table called requests with these fields. Create a business rule that assigns based on category. All that kind of stuff. One thing to know, now SDK init gives you a minimal skeleton. It's not going to generate tables or logic for you. That's on purpose. The idea is you get a clean, correctly structured project, and then you or your coding agent builds from there. If you want the AI generated head start with tables and relationships already wired up, you could see the video earlier from the build agent route. Both paths get you to the same place though, a valid SDK project you can build and deploy. The choice is whether you want a blank canvas or a head start. Okay, thanks. Talk to you next one.